equations involving the modulus function. Consider the equation 2x minus 1 is equal to 13. From what we know of the modulus function, the modulus of 13 is 13, but so is the modulus of negative 13. Hence, 2x minus 1 could be positive or negative 13 here. So, to find the solutions to this, we need to solve both 2x minus 1 is equal to 13 and 2x minus 1 is negative 13. So this one gives me 2x is equal to 14, and therefore x is equal to 7. This one gives me that 2x is equal to negative 12, and therefore x is equal to negative 6. So we get two solutions to the modulus of 2x minus 1 is equal to 13. So as a second example here, let's look at the modulus of x minus 2 is equal to the modulus of 3x plus 1. So what we would do here is have x minus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3x plus 1. And we only need to have the plus or minus on one side. Well, I'll look at that shortly. So we could be solving x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 1, or x minus 2 is equal to minus 3x plus 1. And it should be clear to you why I have to put this in a bracket. It's minus of the whole thing. So here, negative 2 would be equal to 2x plus 1. I've taken x from each side of this equation. Now if I take 1 from each side, so negative 3 is equal to 2x, and so x is equal to negative 3 over 2. Coming over here, x minus 2 is going to be minus 3x take 1. So add 3x to both sides and we get 4x minus 2 is negative 1. And then add 2 to both sides and 4x is equal to 1. And therefore x is a quarter. Now we only have to have the plus or minus on one side, because just consider that I'd had plus or minus 2 as well. Then for example we'd need to solve minus x minus 2 is minus 3x plus 1. Well, we can multiply both sides by negative 1 and have x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 1. And of course, solve that up here.